What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new video, and today I have a kind of a different little app to showcase to everybody. So with that being said, let's jump into it. What is up, everybody? So we are on the Fridge Feast app. So this app was recommended by the developer in the comment section. They asked if I could review the app, make a video about it. I said sure. So here we are. But with Fridge Feast, basically this is an all easy app, basically about food and health. So as you can see on the screen, they show you some recipes that are ready to cook. So you can see a bunch of recipes, desserts, and then relevant recipes down here. But not only that, you can click on the fridge, you can open up your fridge and add some items that's in your fridge. So basically I have all the essential ingredients: cooking oil, milk, eggs, butter, sugar, flour, table salt and table pepper, cooking oil, and meat, and water. So basically this is gonna help you come up with recipes and other ingredients for other type of things. So if you wanted to search chocolate, it'll come up chocolate eggs, chocolate chip cookies, malted milk balls, candy coated chocolate pieces. So you can go and add that to your fridge, say candy coated chocolate pieces. You can go ahead and add that to your fridge. You'll add it to sweet snacks. So that's one of the cool features of the Fridge Feast app. They also have an alarm, my clock tab on the app, so that you can make sure that you don't burn your food, as well as a stopwatch. Some of the other things, you can favorite your favorite recipes, and so I favorited one of my favorite ones, which is easy baked Parmesan chicken. And basically it'll tell you the whole recipe, tells you how long it takes to cook, it'll give you related videos, whole step from step one to the last step. It'll also show you all of the ingredients, and you can also add these to your fridge, which is really easy. This app could also come in handy if you're going to the grocery store. But that is basically what the app has to offer. You can go here and select your system, whether it's US or UK. You can select specific diets, specific intolerances and allergies, as well as additional diet preferences like peanut-free, soy-free, things like that. And you also get a delete all data button. And the top button to the right here, is your save button. But yeah, it's a neat little easy to use app for cooking and recipes and all that type of stuff. So as you can see, Fridge Feast is not a it's not an earning app, but is a real good app to use for cooking and to use when you go to the grocery store, as well as helps you find recipes that you wouldn't normally find. And it's also easy all to use, all in one app. Comparing this app to like saying just going to Google and having to Google a recipe, you can't find really what you want to find. But then you have this app that you can go to, and it's all in one place. You just search recipe or search the ingredients that you want to use, and it'll come up with relevant recipes that you can use with those certain ingredients. This app is pretty good. Hopefully the developer sees this video, and hopefully there's some new updates to this app. It's an app that I think I will continue to use, just due to the fact that you can find easy recipes right on the app without having to really go anywhere. Alarm clock and stopwatch probably is not a big use to me, but maybe to other people. And so yeah, it's just a decent app. It's a good decent app to have on your phone. And yeah, check it out. I'd like to thank all of you for tuning in today to this video. I know it's not an earning video, but we are dropping videos all 2025. So that being said, this video is going out, and we're going to show love to developers, small creators, any of those type of people that come along in 2025. I'm going to be sharing their app and showcasing their app. So if anybody wants to send me a message, if you got a legitimate app out there that you want showcased, just hit me up. I'll see if I can make a video about it. And yeah, I want to thank all of you again for tuning into this video, and I will see each and every one of you in the next earning, or the next video, not the next earning video, but the next video I drop. Peace.